Or you. Yes, you twat. Have you ever wanted to know how to make lightsabers in After Effects? Perfect. Well, it's your lucky day, because I'm here to teach you how. The first thing you're going to have to do is get yourself a lightsaber. What do you mean you don't have one? Right, well instead we're going to give you a wand from Harry Potter, you British twat. Right now, all you got to do is stand there. Right, as I was saying, all you have to do is stand there and hold it like you're pretending it's a lightsaber, alright mate? There you are, beautiful. Now just give it a little swish around, you know. Maybe put some more emphasis in it than that, you fucking idiot. Look, beautiful, yeah, just stand there like that. And there you go, that's all we need from you. Perfect, thank you very much, mister. Alright, let's whack up After Effects and let's teach you how to actually make it. Right, so the first thing you need to do is actually drag your footage onto the timeline. Pretty simple. Then you've got to create a new solid, and we're going to be using a plugin called Saber. Now don't worry, it's completely free, and I've left a link in the description for you to pick it up easily. So what that does is you get this beam of light. Already looks like a lightsaber, doesn't it? We're going to set the blending mode to add, so it's over our footage, and now we can start animating. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go to the frame where I want the effect to start. I'm going to move these 2 points to where I want them to be. That's basically where the lightsaber is, where it starts and ends. And these are your 2 most important keyframes, the core start and the core end. If you keyframe both of those, you can then move these points frame by frame, and that's where the lightsaber will go. If you skip a couple frames, After Effects will automatically fill the spaces in between. You basically want to do this for your entire footage. Now once you've keyframed everything, you'll have something like this. But the issue is that lightsaber's pencil thin, bruv. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the effects once again, and we can turn up or down the core size accordingly. This is also where you can make it thick. Now everyone's going to do Star Wars, but with massive lightsabers now. For this, I went with the 12.5. And there's also some more settings here that you can mess around with. We've got start roundness, that does what it says. It makes the start either rounded or flat. You can also change the end offset, in case you want your lightsaber to animate like it's turning on. What you got to do is keyframe that, go from 0 to 100. But there you go, you get this effect. Now let's say you didn't want it blue, you wanted it like red or green or something, where you can simply change the color inside of the color picker. It's pretty self-explanatory and it changes in real time. It's pretty cool. I'm just going to give myself a green color, why not? And that's basically it. You basically made a lightsaber. There's a bunch of different presets here in case you want some crazy looking lightsaber. This is also how you can do like wizard spells and shit. Or lightning if you wanted to shoot out your hands. Whatever you want to do. There's a lot of things you could do with this plugin. But that's essentially it. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, leave a like. Why not? Got this Muppet to do the acting. Don't know who that prick thinks he is, but looks like a donut anyway. Look at what he's wearing. But yeah, if you enjoyed this tutorial, leave a like. I try to make it as fast and as simple as possible. Subscribe for more. Let me know if you need any help with anything else. And I'm excited to see what you guys make with this.